Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is your maths lecture of grade 3rd, and I am your maths teacher Aparna Pandey from DPS Lamachor. Okay, so students, as you all know that we have started our chapter number 11, Jugs and Mugs in your maths, and there we have done lot of questions like conversions related to liters, milliliters, addition related to liters, milliliters, and we come to know about different units related to capacities. So these are things we have done. And students, in today's class we are going to do further more related to this liters and milliliters only. As you all know that how to do addition, that's good, but furthermore addition as well as subtraction and few word problems we are going to discuss today in today's class. Okay, so let's start. Suppose question is there, at 5 liters 840 milliliter. Suppose first I am giving you question related to addition. ADDITION. First I am giving you, okay, it is not visible. No need to worry. I am rubbing the that portion we will use. This is margin line. Okay, that area we will use. So suppose the question is given, add 5 liters 840 milliliter. It is saying to you that add 5 liter 840 milliliter, comma 6 liter 530 milliliter, 6 liter 530 milliliter, and 2 liters 250 milliliters, 2 liters 250 milliliters. So suppose in this way question is given here and you have to do addition. It is given, add 5 liter 840 milliliter, 6 liter 530 milliliter and 2 liter 250 milliliter. So I have already told you in previous class also, when in such condition addition they have asked the foremost step is to put liters and milliliters, then we will put the numbers there, right? तो हमें सबसे पहले क्या करना होता है बेटा? What we will do, let's start solution from here. What we will do, first we will make one column of liter and one column of milliliter. ऐसे हम liters and milliliters लिख लेंगे. It doesn't matter कि उन्होंने कितने हमें नंबर्स दिए हैं, ठीक है? इस बात से कोई भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि हमें कितने नंबर्स दिए गए हैं. Here they have given us 3 numbers, they can give us 5 also, no problem. Why? Because we have to do addition, and during addition we can add many numbers together. No need to worry about that. Okay, so what it is, this is liters, this is milliliters, and now first one is 5 liter. So we will write 5 here in place of liters and 840 milliliter with this only. अब देखिए, जो मैंने आपको प्रीवियस क्लास में बताया था कि आप लोग जो मिस्टेक करते हैं वो क्या मिस्टेक करते हैं कि इन प्लेस, जैसे अगर आप क्या लिख रहे हैं 5 लिख देंगे, फिर आप 2 लिख देंगे, फिर आप 6 लिख देंगे, और देन व्हाट यू यूज्ड टू डू, जो भी आपको नंबर पहले मिलता है इस साइड का आप वो लिख देते हैं. आंसर तो करेक्ट आ जाएगा, बट द मेथड इज रॉन्ग. व्हाई? बिकॉज यू हैव चेंज द क्वेश्चन. आपने तो क्वेश्चन ही बदल दिया. क्वेश्चन मैंने दिया है 5 लीटर 840 मिलीलीटर और आप लिख दे रहे हैं 5 लीटर 250 मिलीलीटर, देन इट इज रॉन्ग. ओके, सो फॉरमोस्ट थिंग दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर इज कि सबसे पहले आप प्लेसेस लिखेंगे लीटर मिलीलीटर, देन यू विल पुट 5, देन 840, देन नेक्स्ट इज 6, देन 530, then we have 2 and 250. Okay, in this way. What I have done, I have just written the numbers, the liter one in the liter place, the milliliter one in the milliliter place. Okay, and with the sequence given. जैसा sequence दिया गया था उस sequence के according लिख दिया है, right? Now next thing is that we have to do addition. अब simple सा add कर लीजिए. 0 0 0 is 0, 4 5 6 7. After 7, what you will do? 7 plus 5 is 12, or you can do like this, 5 4 9 9 10 11 12. it is 2, and here 1 is carry, then what will be there? 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15 and 1 16, this will be 6 and 1 is carry here. अब देखेंगे ध्यान देने वाली बात जो है बेटा वो ये है कि when you have done addition 16 is coming. So I am not writing whole 16 here. पूरा 16 यहाँ नहीं लिख रही. After writing 6, the 1 will go on the top of the another number means carry चला जाएगा and there we have to do addition और हमें वहाँ पे क्या करना होता है उसका addition करना होता है right? तो क्या करेंगे this 6 this 1 5 and 1 6 6 6 12 13 40 but it is 40. So what is the answer? What answer we are getting here? We are getting 14 liter and 620 milliliter. What answer we are getting? 14 liter and 620 milliliter. So I hope that you all are able to understand how to do addition. Though you all know that how to do addition, and in my previous class related to jugs and mugs only I have explained you how to do addition. But why today again I have explained? Because in this addition I have given you more than 2 numbers. Okay, so that's why I thought that I must show you here that we have to do in the same manner only. No changes are required. Right? And then this 14 is in the place of liter, so I am writing 14 liter. This 620 is in the place of milliliter, so I am writing 620 milliliter. Okay, so I hope that you all will able to understand this. How we have to do this? Now, let's move to the another part of jugs and mugs where subtraction is there. The same type of method will be used, but instead of addition we have to do subtraction. Let's try how we will do that. I am rubbing this. You all can practice the same in your rough notebook also. Now suppose question is given, subtract 15 liter 655 milliliter, subtract 16 liter 655 milliliter from what it is saying, 21 liter 800 milliliter. It is 15, 21 liter 850 milliliter, 850 milliliter, right? 800 milliliter, not 50. See, 15 liters 655 milliliter from 21 liters and 800 milliliter. I am not changing the digit because let's see in the same manner. Okay. So now you can see that here when question is given, they are asking subtract 15 liter 855 milliliter from 21 liter 800 milliliter. Now, before moving further, first you have to remember the concept that I have explained you earlier related to subtraction when from is given. I told you na whenever in the question from is there, then you have to write the second number first. ठीक है, आप पहले सेकेंड नंबर को लिखेंगे, उसके बाद अनदर नंबर को लिखेंगे. एक चीज. दूसरी चीज हमेशा सब्ट्रैक्शन में ये ध्यान रखना होता है, द नंबर दैट यू आर राइटिंग फर्स्ट शुड बी ग्रेटर वन. ओके, तो अभी देखिए, दिस इज 15 लीटर 655 मिलीलीटर, दिस इज 21 लीटर 800 मिलीलीटर. अब आई नो दैट सम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आर गेटिंग कंफ्यूज्ड कि ये 800 है, ये 655 है, ये 15 है, ये 20 है, तो हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कौन सा बड़ा नंबर है. तो बेटा देखिए, दिस इज मिलीलीटर, तो हमें जो नंबर बड़ा है या छोटा वो लीटर के डिजिट से पता चलेगा. सो वी हैव टू चेक द गिवन लीटर वन. नाउ इट इज 15 लीटर, इट इज 21 लीटर, तो डेफिनेटली 21 लीटर इज मच ग्रेटर एज कंपेयर टू 15 लीटर. वन थिंग. सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट when it is saying from, तो हमें उस वक्त ज्यादा सोचना भी नहीं है, because they have said from, so whatever the second number is given we have to write that only first. Okay, so let's see how we can do this calculation. Let's see. First we have to put liter. then we have to put milliliter. Okay, then in liters place, as it is written form, so first we will write 21 and then we will put 800, then we will write 15 and after that we will put 655. Now what we have to do? Now we have to do subtraction. Now we have to do subtraction. This is the question now. जो भी इसने हमें फॉर्म में दिया था उसे हमने अरेंज करके लिख दिया है and this is the question now. Now how we will do this? अब देखिए, we have to subtract. This is 0 and 5. This is 0. We cannot minus 5 from 0. ये तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है कि हम 5 को 0 से माइनस के लिए. तो what we have to do? We have to take borrow from here. And now when we are taking borrow, तो ये 0 के पास भी नहीं है. तो first we will take from 8. 8 will become 7. This will become 10. Then this 10 will give here to 0. This will become 10 and this will become 9. Okay, in this way we have to do. 800 था बेटा और ये 655 था. अब हमें यहाँ माइनस करना है 5 को फ्रॉम 0. कैसे करें? 0 तो हमारा स्मॉलर डिजिट है एज कम्पेयर टू 5. तो क्या करेंगे? सो फॉर दैट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, हमने क्या किया, हमने बोरो मांगा. अब जब हमने बोरो लिया तो ये इस 0 को बोरो चाहिए, लेकिन जो उससे नंबर जो उसे देगा वो ऑलरेडी 0 है, तो वो कहाँ से देगा? So for that number also takes borrow from 8. तो 8 ने 0 को दिया, ये 10 हो गया, ये 7 हो गया. फिर इस 10 ने 0 को दिया, ये 10 हो गया और ये वाला 0 9 हो गया. So in this way what digit became now? 7, 9 and this is 10. Now we have to subtract. How we will subtract? 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 7 minus 6 is 1. This portion we have done. This is 145. Now what about this portion? Now if you will see again, here it is 1 and here it is 5. And I told you that number when we are subtracting, the number which is written upside should be greater 1. But as this is 1, तो 1 तो हमारा small हो गया as compared to 5. तो minus होगा? No. Then what we have to do? Again we have to take borrow. From where we will take? From 2. So when 2 will give borrow to 1, it will become 11 and this 2 will become 1. Now we have to subtract 11 and 5. 11 minus 5 is 6. But 1 minus 1 is 0. So what answer we are getting? We are getting 6 liter 145 milliliter. What answer we are getting? 6 liter 145 milliliter. This is the answer. This is the answer. 6 liter and 145 milliliters. Now, so I hope that you all are able to understand how to do subtraction related to liters and milliliters. Okay. If you want to solve one more, we can do here. 8 liters, 700 milliliters. Now I am rubbing this. Okay, what is there? 8 liters, 700 milliliter. 8 liter, 700 milliliter from, किसमें से करेंगे? From 19 liter, 200 milliliter. From 19 liter, 200 milliliter. Right? Now it is so easy. You all are able to understand. We have done one type already. Let's solve. So simple. First of all, we have to see that we have to do subtraction. Second, we have to focus that from is given. And whenever from is given, we have to write the second number first. Okay? जो दूसरा number दिया है, पहले उसे लिख देते हैं. So now, as it is the units are liters and milliliters. So first we are putting the units. Liters, milliliters, then we have to put this 19 will be here, this 200 will be here, then next is 8 liters, 700 milliliter, 8 will be here, 700 will be here, and now we have to subtract, See, I have arranged the numbers. This is 19, 200, 8 and 700. Now let's subtract. 0 0 0 0 0 0। यहाँ तक तो बहुत सिंपल था। अब देखिए अब क्या करना है। नाउ यू कैन सी दैट दिस इज 2 एंड दिस इज 7 and 2 is smaller than 7, so we cannot subtract 7 from 2. हम 7 को 2 से तो subtract कर नहीं सकते। So what we will do here, what we are going to do, we have to take borrow from 9. When 9 will give borrows to 2, it will become 12. वो क्या हो जाएगा, वो 12 हो जाएगा। And in place of 9 it will become 8. ये 8 हो जाएगा। Now let's subtract 12 minus 7. काउंट करिए, 12 माइनस 7 कितना हो गया, 7 8 9 10 11 12। हाउ मच इट इज, 5। सो व्हाट वी हैव टू राइट, 5 एंड this 8 minus 8 is 0 and this 1 will come as it is because no number is here, so you can even put 0 if you want, and in this way we are getting answer. What answer we are getting, 10 liter 500 milliliter. What answer we are getting, 10 liter and 500 milliliter. So I hope students now you all are able to understand that how to do addition and how to do subtraction related to liters and milliliters. And one more thing I am going to explain you here, that from this class you are not only getting the knowledge about liters and milliliters. When addition and subtraction is given of kg, gram, centimeters, meters, they are also going in the same manner. वो भी बिल्कुल इसी तरीके से होते हैं, सिर्फ यूनिट्स चेंज होती हैं। लीटर्स की जगह किलोग्राम्स, मिलीलीटर्स की जगह ग्राम आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे मीटर्स आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे सेंटीमीटर्स आ जाएगा, एंड द सेम मेथड विल बी देयर. Okay, so in this way I hope that you all will learn how to do subtraction and addition related to liters and milliliters. Now it's time to solve word problem related to jugs and mugs. Let's move for that. Suppose one question is given here, that is Mohan bought 6 liters 850 liters of oil. Okay, Mohan bought, right? Question is here, Mohan bought 6 liters 850 milliliter. 6 liter 850 milliliter of oil. Okay, of oil in the first week. In the first week and 5 liters 350 milliliters and 5 liters 350 milliliters in the second week. In the second week. Okay, how much oil did Mohan buy in the 2 weeks? How much oil did Mohan buy in, how much oil did the Mohan buy in 2 weeks? In 2 weeks. Now you can see the whole question is written in front of you. What it is? Mohan brought 6 liter 850 milliliter of oil in the first week and 3 liter 5 liter 350 milliliter in the second week. How much oil did Mohan buy in 2 weeks? क्या कह रहा है, मोहन ने ऑयल लिया है मार्केट से ऑयल खरीदा है, फर्स्ट वीक में उन्होंने जो ऑयल खरीदा वो 6 लीटर 850 मिलीलीटर है, और सेकेंड वीक में उन्होंने जो ऑयल खरीदा दैट इज 5 लीटर 350 मिलीलीटर है. सो हाउ मच ऑयल डिड ही बाय इन बोथ द वीक्स, दोनों वीक्स को मिला के अगर हम पूछे तो उन्होंने कितना ऑयल लिया है. सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? ऑयल ब्रॉट. How you will solve? Now you all know how to solve the word problem. Mohan brought oil in the first week. अब आपके पास यहाँ पे सारी चीजें हैं, हम क्या लिखेंगे? Oil brought in the first week. Okay? Oil bought in first week. फर्स्ट वीक में कितना ऑयल आया? 6 लीटर 850 मिलीलीटर. ऑयल bought in सेकेंड वीक. कितना आया? सेकेंड वीक में कितना ऑयल आया है? 5 लीटर 350 milliliter. Now you all know that in this way only we solve word problem. Now how much oil did Mohan buy in two weeks? Oil. Now what we will write in the final? Oil bought in the 2 weeks. Oil BOUGHT bought in the 2 weeks. 2 weeks में कितना oil आया है? How we will come to know? We all know what we have to do. What we will do? We will just write 6 liter 850 milliliter plus 5 liter 350 milliliter. Okay? 6 liter 850 milliliter and 5 liter 350 milliliter. Then what we have to do? We have to do simple addition. अब आप ऐड कर लीजिए and you can solve. I am telling you the simple correct answer and you people will solve by yourself, because now you all know that how to do addition. The answer is 12 liter 200 milliliter. The answer is 12 liter 200 milliliter. So in this way we have to solve. Okay? In this way we have to solve. अब अगर हमसे इसी के साथ क्या पूछ दिया जाए कि यहाँ पे तो इसने हाउ मच ऑयल डिड मोहन बाय इन 2 वीक्स कहा था, अगर इसी का ये पूछ देता कि हाउ मच ऑयल इज लेफ्ट. मान लीजिए आपको कहता कि मोहन ने 6 लीटर 850 मिलीलीटर ऑयल वो लेकर आए, जिसमें से उन्होंने 5 लीटर 350 मिलीलीटर ऑयल यूज कर लिया, और कितना बचा. So you know, I have already explained in previous classes when it is asked about the left item, then we have to do subtraction. तो बहुत ही simple way में इसमें क्या हो जाता? Subtraction हो जाता. So students, I hope that from today's class you will able to understand that we can do the addition, subtraction and word problems related to liters and milliliters, and this class will help you in solving questions related to such quantities. I hope you all will like this class. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.